How to turn on or off Grab app notifications. First of all, open the Grab app on your phone. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Next, scroll down and find the settings option. Then tap on it. Here you will see several options. Select communications under the privacy section. You will now see a list of all the types of notifications that Grab sends you. This includes updates on your rides, offers, and other app-related notification. To turn off any notification, simply toggle the switch next to the notification type you no longer want to receive. If you want to turn notification back on, just toggle the switch again to enable them. Now, if you want to completely turn off all notification, go to the app information and select Silent under the notification tab. If you want to turn them back on, simply tap on Allow Sound and Vibration. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on or off Grab app notification. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.